super fanatic. 32 chances to win. But this mini golf, it's split in two.
The rentals are really good. They're a little cold, but they're really, really good.
Really good. So I recommend it.
All right. So we had some pig and anchor barbecue on deck 8 at the summer landing. Now we're gonna have some ice cream on the Lido deck and just chill up there. Huh?
What time is bingo?
You wanna play bingo?
Pero no ahora.
So,
It's now.
oh, it looks like you should, mama. This is the Carnival Store by Pig and Anchor Summer Landing. So Brito, the artist Brito, did like a huge fanny pack. This one is $17.49. That's actually not that bad. This thing is huge. It's like a book bag, but it's a fanny pack. This is their clearance section. Look at this one. This one is $38.49.
Different. You have this. And then you put the bottle of water, I think, here.
Hold on, Kayla found something. What is that?
It's a fanny.
It's like a
fanny.
It's like a fanny pack for your drink. You could put your phone in there.
Yeah.
What price is that? Doesn't say. Let's see.
$29.95.
29. These are the things that I saw that were very popular on this cruise. I don't see myself using this. It's like a floating pouch for your phone. I don't need this.
Found your Rolex.
Oh, so she found my Rolex.
Which one you want? Submarine or
Which one do I want?
submarine?
None of them. It's a Carnival quote unquote Rolexes. No. She found Fun Shit Freddy. Oh my God, what? We're gonna get you that hat. We're gonna get you that hat. Oh, Brito. Brito has more bags. The t-shirts look cool. The t-shirts look cool. Oh, look at your girl. Look at your girl. Photo op. Ew. Look at this. Everybody's getting ready. Ready for the bingo. It's bingo time. Super fanatic. 32 chances to win. 2 scratchers, 1 dauber. I don't know what a dauber is. 30 chances? Oh, okay. $49. The other one was better. 32 chances. Uh-huh. 21 chances, $39. No dauber. So a dauber is something else. So
I need to know what I'm playing before I can
right
for a double.
let's go. Yo, they got dancing classes in the Havana bar. All right, this is the back of the ship. Celebration. That's the vault right there. This is a dope vibe back here, but it's too crowded. They got 2 jacuzzis, one over there, one on this side, and then you have This back here is the back of the ship. This is a dope vibe. Super crowded though. They have a pool back here, like an infinity pool. Always packed. 2 jacuzzis. Got sofas back here. And it's beaming. At the top, you have the Bolt roller coaster. It's pretty cool. And you have the ropes course back there. Deck 17, you have the mini golf. But this mini golf, it's split in two. It's split in two, as you can see here. And then the Bolt is right on top. And then if you come this way,
So we came to Cocina del Capitano today on our last day of the cruise, and man, I got the, what is it? What kind of soup is that again?
Minestrone.
The minestrone, the classic minestrone. Man, it tastes like pure canned soup. Super salty too. Yeah.
Nice highlights.
Nasty. And she got the arugula. What do you got? Arugula?
Arugula, garbanzo, ¿cómo se llama la aceituna? Olive, tomato. I forgot the name of this.
Yeah. It's like a grain.
It's a grain.
I forgot the name of that.
But it's good. Mine is a little bit sweet,
So hers is good.
like soup. Really good. So I recommend.
She recommends that. It's an arugula salad. But mine, ooh, that's not what I do not recommend that. Super salty. You can taste that it's from a can. And this is at Cucina del Capitano. They're supposed to be fancy, but I don't see it. They don't even put the napkin on your lap like they usually do in the fine dining. Bruh, even at Royal Caribbean regular dining hall, they put the napkin on your lap. Anyway, I'm waiting for my entree. So Kayla got the chicken parmesan, the eggplant parmesan from Cucina del Capitano. And I got the chicken parmesan, the classic, and some lentils on the side. I didn't even know what to choose, so I just grabbed that.
I see a lot of grease.
Very greasy. That's because of the cheese, probably.
I know, pero.
Because of the cheese.
Oh, Lord.
There we go.
You can taste
Taste
the
what?
oil.
The oil?
Yeah, it tastes good, but you can take too much, too oily.
Oh, it's very
Too
oily.
oily for my taste.
Well, how about the taste?
It's good. It's not salty.
It tastes good, but oily.
It tastes like potato, tomato. I mean, like it has like a tomato sauce. It's just like a tomato sauce, but then it has too much. You can taste the oil.
You can taste the oil. That's crazy. Alright, so this is the chicken parm. This is rough. This is supposed to be fine dining? I don't think so. So that's it, it's super salty. This thing, I'm being honest. We don't really eat a lot of salt, but super salty and dry. Super salty and dry. They're supposed to give me a spoon for this, but obviously they didn't. This is the lentils. Now that tastes good. The lentils are really good. They're a little cold, but they're really, really good. But the chicken parm, super salty. Super, super salty. I give this restaurant a 2.5.
2.5.
Yup.
I give mine like a 5.
Peace. I'm out. So this is the tiramisu that you get. That's the tiramisu. I ordered some coffee. And she got the Baba Napolitano. It's a nice looking pastry there. Let's see, we're waiting for our coffees and then we'll dive into this.
I think I know what it is.
What is it?
Like a donut,
It's like a
con
donut.
harina and cream.
And what else? There's a fruit.
No, that, I'm guessing, I don't know.
What is it?
Orange.
Oh, it's
I
an
guess,
orange.
I think it's a
So it's a pastry with orange and
Let's see.
cream.
okay.
It's good.
Soft. It has the orange taste. Yeah, it's good.
Okay.
It's good.
And
Yeah,
it's,
and it's
not,
very soft.
and it's not dry.
No,
Yeah.
no, it's good.
All right.
And then this is also give it like a little bit of like citrus
Yeah.
taste.
Citrus too. Yeah, they spread some citrus on the plate too.
And the cream, I think,
And
is
then the
orange.
cream,
Yeah,
some
I'm guessing.
citrusy.
Yeah, it's orange.
It's orange flavor. All right. All right. What would you rate that?
Probably
1 out of 5.
1 out of 5, maybe 2.5.
Damn, really?
Yeah, I mean it's not bad, but it's not my favorite.
It's not the best.
No, it's not.
All right, let's see me. Oh, this thing is soft, like super soft, like a pillow. So, let's see. This is the tiramisu. That's fire. That is fire. It's super soft, creamy, not too sweet. Now this is an Italian tiramisu. Anyway, so I just cut into this thing. It's super soft, not too sweet, really, really fresh. And look how fluffy. Check this out. Ooh, that's nice. Real soft and delicious, creamy. And I'm gonna drink it with some coffee. Oh yeah, let's go, baby.